Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We're outside of a different Walgreens today to do our haul and see if that 10 off of 30 booster is going to work for us this week. Typically, it's been working in store, which is awesome. I did just post on my Instagram as well. A new one popped up available for later this week and into next week. So if you don't follow me yet on Instagram, I'd love to have you, Bree Coupon Queen. I'm almost at 10,000 followers, which is so amazing. Then I'll get the swipe up feature. That'll make it a lot easier for me to, swipe up to print a coupon or swipe up to do the deal, so on and so forth. So I can't wait to reach that benchmark. If you don't follow me there yet, I would love to have your support. And if you're new to my channel here on YouTube, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second and subscribe if you're looking for a channel to help you save thousands of dollars each year. I share easy coupon deals, how you can use rebate apps, things like that to help you save so much money on products you're gonna be buying anyway. And later in this video, I'm gonna announce the winner for some free coupons. So if you got entered, definitely stay tuned, see if you are a lucky winner. There are a lot of great deals we're gonna do today, mostly digital coupons that we're gonna be using, so very beginner friendly. And I heard there is a ton of clearance for Revlon lip products. And there is a buy one, get one half off, buy two, get a $3 register reward deal going on for Revlon in all May. So fingers crossed, my store has a lot of the clearance on sale. Saving with Christina sent it to me. She DM'd me on Instagram and sent me that it is working. Still working buy one, get one half off, even on the clearance. And it's still printing that register reward, which is gonna be amazing. So let's go inside and start taking advantage of these deals. Okay, so I wanna check the clearance at my store, and there's not as much clearance. Some people had clearance for $1, which is amazing. This is all that I have at my store. So I'm gonna grab two of these. There is a deal for Revlon, buy one, get one half off, and buy two, get a $3 register reward. So I'm gonna grab two of these. The clearance should ring in for the same deal. So one will be $4.99, one will be $2.49. Then we have this $5 off any one Revlon cosmetic. When I scanned it, it didn't show that it was popping up, so hopefully it'll come off at checkout. Then we are gonna be paying $2.49 out of pocket, getting back a $3 register reward, making it free, and a 51-cent moneymaker. So I'll let you guys know in the truck, of course, how everything pans out. Now I wanna do some razor deals. So what you can do is grab these Bic Soleil. They are buy one, get one half off, and buy two, get a $3 Walgreens cash rewards. So grabbing these at $6.79, both of them would bring you to $10.18. We do have this $4 digital coupon. You're gonna pay $6.18, get back $3 in Walgreens cash rewards, making it $3.18 for 2 packs of razors. So not a bad deal, very beginner friendly using that digital coupon. Another razor deal I'm gonna grab is on the Skintimate. Now it's part of the deal. When you spend $20, you will get $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. I'm not actually gonna do the deal. I'm just gonna grab one of these here for $5.99. We have a $3 digital coupon, making it $1.99 for a 4-pack of razors. So I think that alone is a great deal. So I'm gonna grab this and add it to my cart. Now we're gonna grab some Gillette Men's. So this one right here is the cheapest one. It's $9.99. And when you buy one, you'll get a $4 register reward. We also have this $5 digital coupon. I'm gonna pay $4.99, get back a $4 register reward, making it 99 cents. Now be careful, there is a $3 digital as well. I already had that one clipped. So what I did is I went to my coupon folder, found that coupon and clicked remove. That way it deletes that coupon and the $5 coupon will come off. We're also gonna grab some L'Oreal Elvive. So these are $4.99 each this week. We are gonna grab two of them, use this 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Be careful, I had an older 3 off of 2 digital also clipped. That's why you wanna make sure you scan the products in store on the Walgreens app. That way it'll show you all the coupons that are attaching that you have clipped. Unclip the lowest value one. We also have this 2 off of 2 Walgreens IBC digital coupon. That'll make our final cost 99 cents each. couple other hot deals I want to share with you are the Dawn and the Palmolive are both just 99 cents. So if you need a filler item, meaning an item that does not have a coupon attaching to it to use a register reward, these would be some great items to grab. Here is a freebie that I am gonna grab. This Purex right here is on sale just $1.99 again this week. We're gonna submit it to swagbucks for 200 swagbucks back equals $2, making it completely free. There's also a checkout 51 deal. I already did that and it's only a limit of 1, so I cannot claim that again, but that could be 1 freebie with checkout 51 and 1 freebie with swagbucks. So if you haven't done either yet, you could possibly grab 2 free laundry detergents this week. All my referral codes are linked right below in the description box as well. If you're new to any of these apps, definitely get signed up. You'll get some welcome bonuses as well. Couple more laundry care deals. I'm gonna grab this Persil disc for $4.99. We do have this $2 digital coupon, making it $2.99. Great deal on that. If you wanna grab the liquid as well, you can. It's the same price point, same digital coupon works. Then we are going to do this buy 3, get 1 free deal on the Tide Care. Downy and Bounce are included as well. So what I'm gonna do is grab 1 or 2 of these Tide Pods actually. Then I'm gonna grab 1 of these Tide Liquid. I do have a $2 off 1 coupon from the January PG. I totally forgot to cut and bring my Tide Pod coupon, unfortunately. No big deal. Then we're gonna come over here and grab 1 of these Downy and use this $1 off 1 coupon from the January PG insert. If you use the Tide Pod coupon as well, that would take off $5. So 4 of these, 3 of them are gonna ring up as $4.99. The other one is gonna ring up as 0. So do not track that towards your spend total. That'll be $14.97. We would have $5 in coupons. You would pay $9.97 for 4 of them or $2.49 each, which is a great deal. If you're adding this in with the spend 30, get $10 off digital booster, that is even better. They also have this tiny section with some Christmas stuff. So I was trying to scan it on the app and it's saying invalid barcode. I need more chopsticks, so I'm gonna grab 1 of these and I'm gonna try these as well and ask them just to price check it up front, see what it rings in for. But I thought these would be super cute and you can grab some little wine gift bags or baskets or whatever you would call it. So I'll let you guys know at the end what they wind up costing. Okay, so update, everything was still ringing in from when she price checked it at full price. So these were like $24.99, which I'm obviously not gonna buy. I'm grabbing these anyway because I need a 3-pack. They're $2.99, it's 99 cents each, no big deal. But I thought Walgreens was at like 90% clearance for Christmas stuff. So drop a comment, let me know if your stores have any of these like alcohol holiday packs and what they're ringing in for. So they have the same deal going on right now for Pampers. So they are 2 for $20, and when you buy 3 of them, you'll get a $5 register reward. I did this deal last week, and when you buy 3 of them, it rings up as $30. The 10 off of 30 did not come off for me last time, unfortunately. So I also don't have the 3 off of 2 digital anymore. I used it last week. If you have that digital coupon, definitely use it. I'm just gonna use register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket cost. Then I'm gonna submit to Ibotta. Both the $3 and the $1.51 are attaching to the number 1. So grabbing 3 of those, that's gonna give me back like $13 and something change. And we're gonna get the $5 register reward. So our final cost is gonna be $11.15 for 3 bags of diapers. You know I'm stocking up. My goal is 20 bags for the baby shower. So I'm gonna add this to my cart in a second transaction. So this is gonna be my first transaction that I'm hoping to use the spend 30, get $10 off digital booster. Total for all these products is about $32.45. Then we have the $2 IVC coupon. The $10 coupon will come off as well. We have a $2 digital, a $5 digital. Hopefully the $5 Revlon coupon will come off as well. Let me zoom back in. Bam. Okay, so we should be left to pay about $4.45 plus taxes out of pocket. I'm gonna try to roll $5 in Walgreens cash rewards and make my out of pocket less than $1. Then we are gonna get back a $4 register reward from this one a $3 register reward from the Revlon, $2 from swagbucks on this as well, making this transaction free and about a $4 moneymaker, which is awesome. We're gonna roll some of these rewards into our second transaction as well to lower our out-of-pocket cost. Here is my second transaction. Total is about $23.95. I only have the $2 coupon, the $1 coupon, and the $3 digital. So left would be $17.95. I do have 2 register rewards that I'm gonna use. Oh, I forgot to add one item. Hold on. Let me put this little guy in there. Bam, okay. So now we have a $6 register reward that can attach to this guy. Come on. There we go, perfect. And I have an older $2 register reward that's gonna attach to this guy. Now remember, the free item, typically register rewards don't attach to that because it gets all weird. So that's why I picked this up at 99 cents. So that'll take off another $8. I should be left to pay around $9.95 plus tax out of pocket. Not getting back any register rewards, any points, anything like that. Just thought it was a really good deal, and we're getting all of these laundry products. Okay, so it's time to announce the winner for the free coupons. You are going to get a $5 coupon voucher for thecouponmarketplace.com. All of their coupons are 15 cents each. You can buy individual coupons, couple of these, couple of those, whatever. There's no limit, there's no nothing. Shipping is $1 as well. So it's very cheap, very inexpensive if you want to get some coupons that way. My code is linked below to get 10% off of your first order as well. So the winner is Anna R. Congratulations. Make sure you send me an email within 2 days to briecouponqueen@gmail.com. Send me your full name and the email address you want to use associated with your account so I can let them know. They will shoot you an email hopefully this week, and that way they can get you set up so you can start ordering some coupons. Thank you again to everyone who participated. When I hit 30,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is just around the corner, and 10,000 followers on Instagram, also just around the corner, you guys know I'm gonna be doing more giveaways and giving back to you all. So stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed and you don't follow me yet, I'd love to have your support on both channels, so definitely look me up. Okay, so we're back in from Walgreens. The 10 off of 30 booster would not come off for me at all. I tried it on 2 different transactions. So that messed up my totals a lot. Of course, the $5 Revlon coupon didn't come off, and I know why. It's because the product was $4.99. Should have grabbed the other one that was $5.49. So when I had her take those off, now that put me below 30. I added my Skintimate razors, which put me over 30 again. $10 still didn't come off, had her voided again, left all the products there. Just like I tell you guys, if it's not working out, don't pay too much out of pocket. I would have had to spend about $17 out of pocket for like 6 items, so I wasn't gonna do that. Gave her back everything. Then that messed up my second transaction, and I didn't want to have to try to recalculate everything, so I left all those products there as well. Only thing I bought was the 3 Pampers, which actually worked out because so that $10 coupon again did not come off. I'm not sure why. It was working for me so much, and now it's not working for me, so I'll have to see. Maybe I'll try again later this week or something. I'll let you guys know. So nothing crazy. I used 3 different register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket cost because I already used that 3 off of 2 digital coupon last week, so I didn't have that available. That's why I was able to use 3 register rewards, paid $18.63 out of pocket, which is no big deal. Then I submitted it to Ibotta, got back $13.50. That's why I was able to continue and do this deal. So I didn't have any points to roll on this one. So final cost for this is like $5 for 3 bags of diapers, which I think is amazing. That's why I wanted to go ahead and move forward with that deal. And I got back a $5 register reward. So technically they were free. But as far as cash is concerned, it cost me about $5, which I'm definitely happy with that. So let me know in the comments if for the clearance, I was shocked that the clearance wasn't bringing up clearance pricing. And when I tried to scan it in the app, it just said invalid barcode. So when I had her scan it, they were full price. So I didn't buy that, obviously. And then, yeah, let me know how it's working out as far as your spend 30, get $10 off. I have 2 of them clipped on my account and it's not coming off. I clipped the new booster for later this week as well. That's a lot of savings. That's literally like 33% off right there for that digital coupon to come off. So I might wind up doing like a pickup order to make it come off. We'll see, just depends on what kind of deals I can put together. So stay tuned. I may do an online haul, use Rakuten to get cash back, and I will get that spend $30, get $10 off as well. So stay tuned. I'll see if I can do that video later today, post it for you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to smash the like button if you love diaper deals and all of the amazing savings that you can grab, if of course everything works out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.